Hi teachers, this quick video is going to show you how to create a playlist, how to manage that playlist, and lastly, how to add that playlist to the home page of your YouTube channel. So to get started, what we are going to do is we're going to locate some videos that we want to add to a playlist. So you can do this in any way you see fit. Maybe you already have a selection of videos that you want to add to a playlist, or maybe you have a topic in which you're looking for different videos to add to that playlist. So I'm going to do a topic that I actually used to teach about, which is the Northwest Ordinance of 1787. So as I'm quickly looking through some of the different Northwest Ordinance videos, I see some with some different reviews. I can check out when they were last added. I can look at the little screenshot pictures. Obviously, before I create a playlist and put it out there for students, I want to make sure that I view these videos, because unfortunately there are people that put out videos where there are things in the middle of them we don't want to be available for students. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to quickly add some things to the playlist. So once I locate a video, I have a couple of options. I can come over to the three dots on the right hand side in my search and select Save to Playlist. This is going to bring up all the playlists that I have on my channel. If I already have a playlist created, I can just click the checkbox to which one I want to add it to. If I don't have a playlist created, we're going to create one, Northwest Ordinance. So if you want playlists to show up on your YouTube channel, you need to make sure that they are marked as public. Your other option would be an unlisted playlist. Unlisted playlists mean that you have to send them the link in order for them to view it. Unlisted playlists do not show up publicly on your channel. So for the purpose of this assignment, you need to make sure that the two playlists you create are public ones, but you can use unlisted. Private, sometimes I use that to keep a collection of videos that I want to go back and look at later, or maybe I haven't had a chance to view these videos and make sure that they're appropriate for students. So I'm going to save them for later. The only person that can see those videos would be me. So we're going to call this a public playlist, and we're going to go ahead and click create. And then if I want to add another video to that playlist, I would click the three dots, click save to playlist, check the box. You'll see down in the bottom right left-hand corner a notification that it was added, and then you simply hit the X. Now you can also add videos to playlists when you are actually on the video itself. So I'm going to click into this video. All right. I'm going to pause it so that it's not going to play. And I'm going to come down here underneath the video and find the Add To button on the left-hand side. Add To, it's going to automatically load my list of playlists. Again, I can create a new playlist here, or I can add to. You'll notice default, YouTube also creates a watch later playlist that is private. So this will be on everyone's channel, and you can always add videos you want to view later to there. Don't forget, if you're approving these videos for students, that once you've viewed them and made sure that they are appropriate for students, you would want to click the approve button underneath the video to make sure that students are able to view it. So the other nice thing about using YouTube to create playlists is all the videos do come with closed captioning. If it's been set up, that's a default feature of YouTube now. So viewers will be able to use the closed captioning in order to watch the video and read along with the video. So once your playlists have been created, let's talk about seeing those playlists, finding them, and managing them. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on my icon up here. Depending on what screen I am, I may see it looks like this, or if I go back out to YouTube, I may see this menu. So this is a newer menu. The menu I showed you before was a little older, but in either case, you would want to click YouTube Studio. You'll notice I can also find my playlist on the left-hand side sometimes if it's public. And once I'm in YouTube Studio, I want to click on Playlists. And then I want to locate that video on my playlist. So I'm going to locate that playlist of videos. So once I click into it, I have a couple of different options. Here on the right-hand side, I can save videos to another playlist. I can remove them. I can move them to the top or bottom, or I can set as the playlist thumbnail. So you can choose which video you want to be the little thumbnail of the playlist. I actually love this video because it's a nice clear picture of the area and it says Northwest Ordinance really big. So I would probably leave this first video as my thumbnail, but notice if I choose a different video to set playlist thumbnail, it's going to change it to this. So I could also use this as my thumbnail as well. I'm gonna go back, set this one. I can drag my videos up and down. And when you send students this playlist link, they will see or view the videos in whatever order you put them in. Over on the left-hand side, I have the option to edit the name of the playlist. You can choose, again, if you need to change it from public to unlisted or private, or maybe you make your playlist private first and then you choose to make it public. When you're ready, you can create a description. If I click this button here, this will shuffle the order of the videos. I'm going to click back into playlists, back into Northwest Ordinance. Okay, I don't want to shuffle the order. I do have the option to share. This is actually the link that you will provide to students. This link will make sure that they're going to the whole playlist of videos and not just a single video. So if you add a playlist link, you can add this to Google Classroom. It will take students out to YouTube to view the playlist. Do keep in mind, if you send students to this link, you need to make sure each individual video is unblocked. There is not a way currently with how YouTube is designed to unblock a whole playlist at once. So you have to unblock each individual video. So we're going to copy this playlist. I'm going to pull up another page and I'm going to paste this so you can see the public side of what a playlist looks like. So, looking here, I can see that I am still on the editing side. I'm seeing the pencil. So let's go back out to home. I'm going to pull up a different playlist. Just going to go to Common Sense Education. They've got some playlists here.
Technology is changing.
And I can see here that this is what a playlist would look like for users who are just viewing that playlist. Okay, pausing this video. Notice the approve button is here, but this is individual for each video. Here on the right-hand side, I can scroll through the videos, and the minute one video finishes playing, it will go on to the next. So the last thing I'm going to show you in this video is how to take that playlist that you just created and put it on your YouTube channel. So we are going to go back to our channel. We're actually going to need to get to our channel homepage. Clicking out of that, I actually want to go to this link that says your channel. So I just clicked to get out of that old YouTube Studio screen. Now I've selected your channel, and underneath here, we're going to click Customize Channel. So this will let me choose which things I want to show here. Now currently the only thing, this is a default setup, I have uploads showing. So these are all the uploads I've made, but maybe I don't really want this section and I want to delete it. Okay, so I'm going to add a section, and what do I want to add? I want to add something under the playlist. So you will either want to add created playlists, saved playlists, or multiple playlists. Created playlist is going to show every playlist you've ever made, which is kind of nice because then you don't have to individually add them. Saved playlist will show every playlist you've ever saved. Same thing. Multiple playlists lets you select which playlist you want to show up on your channel. I'm going to click multiple playlist, and I am going to click find playlist. Scroll through my list of playlists. Oh, and I found the Northwest Ordinance. If I want to add another one, I click again, and I add another one, and I can drag these playlists around. We're going to title this Learning Videos. Using the feature to select multiple playlists can be awesome if you're someone who teaches different courses. So then you can have a section for each course with all the playlists under it for that course. And then you simply click done. When you have those added, you'll see that preview, and then you're going to click done again. I don't want to feature content. I'm going to click done again. Done is how you save things. So now, if I am a student and I go to my channel, I want to view this. Oops. Of course, I clicked into the wrong screen. Okay, and now I'm back there. I can see that I now have this section on my channel called Learning Videos, and here are the playlists. So this is what someone else who is not me would see when they come to my channel. To give you a real quick pic of another way that this might look, I'm going to show you my instructional technology YouTube channel to give a better picture of a fully designed channel homepage. Okay, and this is a fully designed channel homepage where I've got a custom banner. I have a featured video. Here is that multiple playlists where I've selected some playlists and labeled it. Here's where I have selected playlists that I have saved. I've shown playlists in a vertical format. Other help, notice that if you add more than 4 playlists, users click over to see all the playlists. And then I have the section called Save Playlist here. So different ways for you to make sure that playlists are viewable. And then obviously on the right in the next video, I'm going to real quickly talk about subscribing to channels and featuring them on your YouTube channel.